Welcome to the project demonstration of solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this project we are using solar panel, two battery charging circuits and also using step down transformer, 12 volts 1 amp battery, and here we are using two coils. One is placed for car, another is placed for this board. So one is a receiving coil and another is a transmitter coil. So transmitter coil is connected to this transmitter board and receiver coil which is connected to the receiver board. So the main aim of this project is to charge the electric vehicle wirelessly with the help of solar system. So let us see the demonstration. Here I am on the switch. So now if car comes nearly to this transmitter coil, so here we can see the light indication, which means car get charged. If I remove from this coil, now it is not charging. In this way this wireless system will be works. And also here we can see two charging circuits or two bridge rectifiers. One is for solar panel, another is for this transformer. So we can charge this battery using solar panel and also electrical supply. So if I give this solar panel output to this input of this bridge rectifier, here we can see the light indication. So we can observe this light indication. So which means battery get charging through this solar panel. And also here we can see the step down transformer which is connected to this charging circuit. Here I am providing the power supply to this transformer using this power cable. It will take off 230 volts of AC supply which is given to this primary of this transformer, and it will step down up to 12 volts of AC. So here this one is the output of this transformer, which is secondary winding which is connected to this bridge rectifier input. So operation of this. So the main operation of this bridge rectifier is to convert the AC to DC. So which takes input of 12 volts and which is converted into 12 volts of DC. That 12 volts of DC will be given to this battery. Then battery will be get charged. So one doubt will be raised in our mind, that is solar power panel will produce the voltage with DC power. Then we have to connect this connections to this directly to this battery. But why we are connecting this power to this rectifier? So when we connect these connections directly to this battery, the reverse voltage will be come to this solar panel. Then the time solar power panel will be get damaged. That's why we are giving power supply to this bridge rectifier, which is protect them from reverse current. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.